Hello there, this is the experience set of the BYD intelligent and mounted UAV system, and the new system will be launched today.
The BYD intelligent car mounted UAV system is named Lingyuan and utilizes the world's first vehicle-mounted retractable apron solution. It can not only achieve dynamic takeoff and landing, one-click return to cabin, and follow-up shooting, but also relies storage and faster charging. 30 sets of the shooting templates and intelligent algorithms allow users to easily film with just one click without the need for extra operation.
The strong alliance between BYD and DJI gives me the feeling of the intelligence, convenience, and shocking. I used a UAV to follow the car when I was driving in Xizang. At that time, 2 people were required to operate it, and they needed to keep communicating with their peers to achieve the desired picture. After the shooting is completed, materials need to be selected and the time spent on editing. But the system has completely solved the above-mentioned problems.
主要的目的其实是在各种不同的场景下，想拍一些山川上下班的旅途中可能看到比较好的城市风景，我也会想要拍日常生活的记录，也会有一些能力。另外一方面的话，就是我们可以在外面探路或者说探索的过程中，可以直接遥控手柄去探索周围的环境。
With the release of the Lingyuan car mounted UAV system, it also marks the BYD becoming the world's first car company to mass-produce vehicle-mounted UAV. At present, Lingyuan will cover all brand models under BYD, divided into battery-swapping version and the fast-charging version, and the fast-charging version priced at 16,000 RMB.
So how to fully appreciate the magnificent rivers and mountains? The BYD intelligent vehicle-mounted UAV system accompanying and sharing all the way with you. BYD, build your dreams.